Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on how to avoid the top 10 beginner mistakes when building a DIY solar system. In this video, we're going to dive deep into each common mistake that beginners often make when building a solar system, and I'll share practical tips and insights to help you build a safe, efficient, and reliable setup. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of what to avoid and how to plan your project step by step. Let's get started. Before we begin, remember that a well-planned DIY solar system starts with thorough research. Today, we're covering 10 key mistakes, so grab a notebook and let's break down each one in detail. Mistake number 1. Not doing enough. Research. Many beginners jump into building a solar system without fully understanding how it works. It's crucial to learn about the main components: solar panels, charge controllers, batteries, and inverters, and how they interact. Think of research as your blueprint. Without it, you risk making costly errors later on. Mistake number 2. Ignoring local regulations and permits. Before starting your project, check your local building codes and permit requirements. Failing to do so can lead to legal issues or even force you to dismantle your work. Always contact your local government or building authority to ensure your project is fully compliant. Mistake number 3. Incorrect system sizing. One common error is either oversizing or undersizing your system. To avoid this, calculate your daily energy needs accurately. Consider every device you plan to power and factor in energy losses, future expansion, and seasonal variations. Proper sizing is key to an efficient and cost-effective system. Mistake number 4. Poor solar panel placement. Even the best system won't perform well if the panels aren't placed correctly. Ensure your solar panels receive maximum sunlight throughout the day, and avoid areas prone to shading from trees, buildings, or other obstacles. A small amount of shade can dramatically reduce efficiency. Mistake number 5. Using low quality or incorrect components. Saving money by opting for cheaper, low quality parts can backfire. Using components that don't meet industry standards can lead to system failures, inefficiencies, or even safety hazards. Invest in quality parts, even if the initial cost is higher, to ensure long-term reliability and performance. Mistake number 6. Improper wiring and connections. Correct wiring is critical for both performance and safety. Improper wiring can lead to short circuits, fires, or system inefficiencies. Always follow manufacturer guidelines, use proper wiring diagrams, and, if necessary, consult a professional. Taking your time with wiring will save you from potential dangers later on. Mistake number 7. Neglecting regular maintenance. A solar system isn't a set it and forget it project. Regular maintenance is essential for optimal performance. This includes cleaning your panels, inspecting wiring and connections, and checking battery performance. A few minutes of routine upkeep can prevent small issues from escalating into major problems. Mistake number 8. Inadequate battery storage planning. Battery storage is crucial, especially if you plan to use stored energy or run an off-grid system. Many beginners underestimate their storage needs or choose batteries that don't match the rest of the system. Make sure your battery bank is appropriately sized for your energy requirements and is designed for deep cycle use. Mistake number 9. Overcomplicating the system design. While it's exciting to dream big, starting with an overly complex system can be overwhelming. Focus on building a simple, functional system first, then expand as you gain more experience. Keeping it simple not only minimizes mistakes, but also makes troubleshooting easier. Mistake number 10, compromising on safety. Last but not least, never compromise on safety. Working with electricity, heavy equipment, and specialized tools always carries risks. Always wear proper safety gear, follow recommended safety protocols, and if something feels off, stop and reassess your plan. Your safety should always be your top priority. Let's quickly recap our top 10 mistakes. Not doing enough research, ignoring local regulations and permits, incorrect system sizing, poor solar panel placement, using low quality or incorrect components, improper wiring and connections, neglecting regular maintenance, inadequate battery storage planning, overcomplicating the system design, compromising on safety. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll be well on your way to building a DIY solar system that not only meets your energy needs, but does so safely and efficiently. Thank you so much for watching this in-depth guide on avoiding the top 10 beginner mistakes when building a DIY solar system. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Van Indan Academy, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your support helps us create more educational content just like this. Until next time, stay safe, keep innovating, and happy building. Thank you for watching.